Hello, my lovely listeners. Welcome back to the Amira English Learning Podcast, where we learn English in a fun, friendly, and inspiring way. I'm so happy to be here with you again.
And I'm here too, Khuram, your podcast buddy. We're so excited to join you today with another important topic that helps you improve not just your English, but your whole life.
Yes. Today's episode is very special. We're talking about self-improvement. What does that mean? Well, it means becoming a better version of yourself, stronger, smarter, more confident, more positive.
Improving yourself doesn't mean changing who you are. It means becoming the best you, bit by bit. And we'll show you how to do that, step by step, with real examples and useful English expressions.
And of course, as always, we'll speak slowly and clearly, so you can improve your listening skills while learning life lessons. This is your safe space to grow your English, your mind, and your heart.
That's right. So grab your notebook, get comfy, and let's begin this journey of becoming better, together. Are you ready? Let's go.
Segment 1. The mindset of growth. Let's begin with the most important part, your mindset. This is how you think about yourself and the world. A positive, strong mindset makes everything possible.
There are two mindsets, fixed mindset and growth mindset. People with a fixed mindset believe their abilities can't change. People with a growth mindset believe they can improve with effort. Guess which one leads to success?
Mindset makes everything possible. Right. The growth mindset. So when you say, I can't do this, yet, you leave the door open for improvement. Try saying, I can't speak English fluently, yet. See? It gives you hope.
Exactly. That little word, yet, is powerful. It reminds you that you're on a journey. And mistakes? They are part of the learning process. So embrace them. Every mistake helps you grow.
Segment 2. Breaking bad habits. Now let's talk about something that can block our growth, bad habits. These are actions we do again and again, even though they're not helpful. Like wasting time or always saying I can't.
The first step is to notice them. When you do something that makes you feel bad later, ask yourself, why did I do that? Write it down. Awareness is the first step to change.
And here's a great trick. Instead of just stopping a bad habit, replace it. For example, instead of checking your phone first thing in the morning, read a short paragraph in English. Replace scrolling with studying.
Another tip is called habit stacking. That means connecting a new habit to one you already do. For example, after brushing your teeth, you could say a positive affirmation in English, today I will improve. Small but powerful.
Segment 3. Improving communication skills. Communication is key to everything: learning, work, relationships. To improve yourself, you must improve your communication. This also helps you become more fluent in English.
And good communication starts with listening. Really listen, not just to answer, but to understand. Listen to podcasts, conversations, and even yourself when you speak.
Then, practice speaking clearly and slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Use simple words. Speak with confidence, even if you're nervous.
Your body language also matters. Make eye contact, smile, and show energy. These things help people understand and trust you, even when your English isn't perfect.
Segment 4. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence means understanding your emotions and managing them well. It's about being calm, kind, and thoughtful even when life is hard. A good method is called name it to tame it. When you feel something strong, say it aloud, I feel frustrated. This makes the emotion smaller and easier to control.
It helps in school, work, and relationships. If you can say, I feel nervous, or I feel proud, you are already practicing emotional intelligence. That's powerful. You can also write in a feelings journal, meditate, or talk to a friend. These things help you understand yourself better, and that helps you grow.
Segment 5. Time management and focus. We all get 24 hours a day. How we use them makes a big difference. Time is life. So let's learn how to use it wisely.
Try the Pomodoro technique, work 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. This keeps your energy high. After 4 rounds, take a long break. It really works.
Also, make a list each morning. What are my 3 most important tasks today? Do those first. That's called prioritizing.
Take a long break. It really works. And don't try to do too many things at once. Multitasking seems helpful but can slow you down. Focus on one thing. Then move to the next.
Segment 6. Building confidence through action. Many people think they need confidence before they can act. But the truth is, confidence comes from action. Just try, and confidence will follow. Every time you speak, write, or try something new, you build your self-trust. So don't wait. Take the small steps. Let action build your belief.
That's so true. I was scared to speak English at first. But I tried. I made mistakes. I laughed. And now, here I am, talking to all of you. And remember to celebrate small wins. Even 5 minutes of practice is a victory. Say, I did it. Dance a little. These moments build your confidence muscle.
Segment 7. Extra tips for daily growth. Let's add a few more powerful tips for our friends. First, track your progress. Keep a journal or checklist. Mark every day you learn or practice. That gives you motivation. Next, reward yourself. After you study English for 30 minutes, give yourself a treat: tea, music, or a quick walk. Celebrate every step. Multiple musical notes, pedestrian ##. And of course, take care of your body. Sleep well, eat healthy, and move your body. You can't grow your mind if your body is tired.
I love that. I use a wall calendar. Every day I practice, I draw a star. After 7 stars, I feel like a champion. Try it, it works. Another one, read in English. Even 5 minutes a day builds vocabulary and confidence. Start with short stories or children's books. Yes. Even a short stretch in the morning helps you feel fresh. A strong body gives you energy to improve your English and your life.
Segment 8. Surrounding yourself with positivity. The people and things around you affect your energy and mindset. If you want to improve, surround yourself with positive influences. And this also includes what you watch, read, and listen to. If you watch inspiring videos or listen to motivational podcasts like this one, you'll feel more hopeful and focused.
That's right. If your friends always complain or laugh at your dreams, you might feel discouraged. Try to spend more time with people who lift you up and believe in you. Yes. I follow a few English YouTube channels that give me energy. I feel like I learn and grow every time I watch. You don't need to change everything, just add more positivity to your life.
You can also say positive affirmations in English. I am growing. I believe in myself. I can improve. Say them out loud every morning. It changes your mood and your mindset.
And try writing these affirmations in your journal. When you write them and say them, your brain starts to believe them. That's the power of positivity.
Segment 9. Learning from failure. Everyone fails. Everyone makes mistakes. But the people who grow the most are the ones who learn from failure.
When you fail, don't say, I'm a failure. Say, this is a lesson. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I do better next time?
One of my biggest English mistakes was saying chicken instead of kitchen. It was so funny. But instead of feeling bad, I laughed and learned.
Same here. I once said I'm boring instead of I'm bored. Oops. People laughed, but it helped me remember the difference forever. Mistakes are the best teachers.
So next time you mess up, smile and say, that was a good lesson. It means you're growing. And growth is more important than perfection.
You are not your mistake. You are someone who is learning, and that's powerful. So keep trying. Keep improving. We all fall. The winners are the ones who stand up again.
Segment 10. Setting goals and sticking to them. Another powerful way to improve is by setting goals. Clear, small goals give you direction. They help you stay motivated and organized.
When you say, I want to improve, that's good. But if you say, I want to learn 10 new English words this week, that's even better. It's specific and achievable.
You can write goals like, I will speak English for 5 minutes every day, or I will watch 3 English videos this week. Make them simple, small, and realistic.
And here's a tip, review your goals every Sunday. Ask yourself, did I do it? If yes, celebrate. If no, ask, what stopped me? What can I change? That's how you stay on track.
And don't forget to reward yourself. A small gift, a favorite snack, or a relaxing walk after reaching your goal helps your brain feel proud and excited for the next challenge.
Your brain loves rewards. Use them to make goal setting fun. Improving yourself isn't boring, it can be exciting, creative, and joyful.
Segment 11. Becoming a lifelong learner. Improving yourself means never stopping your learning. The best learners are lifelong learners, they stay curious forever.
That's right. You don't stop learning when you finish school. You keep learning through books, podcasts, people, travel, even failures. Everything teaches you.
And English is a great example. There is always something new to learn, new words, new phrases, new ideas. The journey never ends, but it gets more fun.
I used to think learning was only for young people. But now I see, every age is the right age to grow. I'm still learning every day, and I love it.
So be proud of your curiosity. Ask questions. Try new things. Read different topics. Stretch your brain like a muscle. The more you learn, the stronger you get.
And remember, even 10 minutes a day makes a difference. Never stop learning. Never stop improving. You're never too old, too slow, or too late. You're right on time.
Segment 12. Practicing self-reflection. Let's finish today with one more tool, self-reflection. This means looking at your actions, thoughts, and feelings and asking, how can I grow? ##.
It's like giving yourself feedback. Every evening, take 5 minutes to ask, what did I do well today? What can I improve tomorrow? It builds awareness and wisdom.
You can use these 3 questions. 1. What did I learn today? 2. What made me proud? 3. What will I do better tomorrow? Write them down or say them aloud.
I use a voice recorder on my phone. I talk to myself for 2 minutes every night. It's funny, but it helps me hear my own progress.
Self-reflection helps you see your journey clearly. It reminds you that you are moving forward, even when the progress is small.
Try it. And it keeps you connected to your values, goals, and purpose. Reflecting is not about judgment, it's about learning from your own experience.
Vocabulary section. Important words and meanings. Mindset. Your way of thinking or attitude. Growth mindset, belief that abilities can improve with effort. Bad habit. A behavior that is harmful or unhelpful. Habit stacking. Adding a new habit after an old one. Communication, sharing ideas or feelings with others. Emotional intelligence, understanding and managing your emotions. Pomodoro technique. A time management method using work and break intervals. Prioritize. To decide what is most important. Affirmation. A positive statement you say to yourself. Self-reflection. Thinking about your actions to improve. Closing. Wow, Khuram. That was a lot of amazing advice for how to improve yourself. I hope our listeners feel inspired and ready to take small steps today. Remember, self-improvement is a journey, not a race.
Yes. Take your time, be kind to yourself, and keep going. We're growing together. And if you enjoyed today's episode, please share it with your friends and family. Let's help everyone improve English and life.
Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to practice your English every day. Speak, listen, write, and read. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You are amazing.
See you next time on the Amira English Learning Podcast. Take care, and keep shining. Bye-bye.